Once the fibers are loaded in the splicer, visually confirm the position of the fiber ends. Ideally, they should both land about halfway between the inside edge of the V-grooves and the center line of the electrodes. Close the wind protector. At this stage, depending on the operational settings, the splicer may start automatically, or you may need to press the set or play. Unless you've activated any of the pause options, the splicer will seamlessly progress through the entire process. You'll see the fibers come together, be inspected by the splicer, and be spliced together. Gently remove the spliced fibers from the splicer and use the positioning feature on the top of the heater oven to place the shrink sleeve over the splice. If you're using sheath clamps, there's an additional positioning feature. Grab the fiber opposite the protection sleeve at the edge of the sheath clamp. Grab the protection sleeve side and lift the whole splice out of the machine. Then tilt the fiber to the center of the sleeve over the splice point, using your fingers as a positioning stop. After aligning the sleeve, hold tension on the fiber and lower it into the heater oven. Fiber splices have excellent tensile strength, so there's no need to worry about breaking the splice. Hold the splice in the position until the heater element secures the splice protector. Releasing it too soon may cause the sleeve to fall below the heating element and not shrink correctly. When the heating cycle is finished, lift the protection sleeve from the oven and allow it to cool off. Be careful, as it will be hot, and wait a minute or so before touching it. The splicing and heating function of the machine operate independently of each other, so you'll be able to begin the next splice as soon as the heating cycle starts. Now that the splice is finished, take some time to practice with a few more splices, experimenting with different operational settings. Getting to know your equipment is key to future splicing success. The better you know your machine, the easier it will be to recognize issues and keep yourself up and running. The 35S is a precision calibrated machine functioning within exceptionally narrow tolerances. By spending time reading the instruction manual, following recommended procedures, and maintaining regular cleaning and upkeep, your equipment will thank you and the quality of your splices will be clear.